Alright. How do little kids do this shit?
I don't know.
Maybe if I was a little smaller, this would work. Huh. Bad idea. My feet don't even fit in both. Like, both my feet won't fit in the holes. Okay, made it. Swing time.
Swing. You mean slide?
Huh?
You mean slide?
Only because I called it whatever it is.
Swing, slide, same thing.
Swing! Rock
Do you like me? I'll try to straight up.
That's why I had to get a sombrero.
I'm a pole dancer, look. Yeah, we know.
Fuck you. Well, this is awesome. Don't you dare get stuck with me on it. Both my feet don't even fit in this somehow. Oh no. Like the hole. That is so funny. Oh, hey, she's recording. Say that. Oh my god. Stop flirting with my friend. Only I can do that.
That's what I was going to say.
Shut up. I'm filming this thing right now.
That's fun. It makes a noise.
Hey, that slide's fun. No, it's not that one. It's over here. Go to the big one.
Sweet.
I will.
Whoa! It's a maze.
What is this?
This part is a maze, this green part. I don't know how you do it, but it looks cool.
Oh my god, and you can climb up through here?
Yeah. And then you ask this go question.
This thing. Look.
Yeah. Look, you ask it a question.
Wait, I can't fit through this. I'm too fat. What a fat
For sure.
No, no. Come on. Give me your hand. My knees changed up. Quit it. Let me get up. My knees are stuck. Is that all that's stuck? Shut up.
All kinds of shit to do now, don't you?
What did you say?
To go, Delana.
Oh. Slide coming in.
See?
It's always fun.
Oh, God.
Look, she just makes it look easy.
She's little.
How old are you?
6.
6.
I can't climb this thing too well. Carla! I'll help you.
I'm a
That part recorded? Are you sliding? I'll catch you. Go.
I almost died on that.
Oh, you didn't hurt yourself. I can't climb this thing. Right on. Did you record her sliding?
Doubt it.
That's nice.
Does Adam like men? Okay. Kevin and Adam bitches together?
Doubt it.
Are they gay together? What did it say? It said, go for it. Hold on.
Sure, ask if Kevin's an asshole. We'll see how accurate it is.
Is Kevin an ass? Nah.
Hold on, it's stuck.
Hold on. Right on.
Does Carol love you?
Okay.
Better answer than that. Wait. Dun dun dun. No!
I think
Fuck you.
Does Jelena like Kevin?
That isn't funny.
It won't go.
That's not funny.
Does
No, don't fucking do it. Don't make it say something. No, you're not cheating. You're actually spinning.
Look. No, I would have said no. Said, go for it.
Catch me.
Okay,
She did go for it.
Again?
Right on.
Come here, May. Are you having trouble?
I have to wear these big glasses because I don't look that great today. Yeah, that's exactly why. Oh no, she almost died because you didn't catch her.
Don't go down the middle, you'll hurt yourself. You're gonna catch me!